film shot entirely in the United Kingdom except for one song which was shot up north in India. It boasts of some beautiful locations जो आज तक सिनेमा ने नहीं देखी, लेकिन उन लोकेशंस के पीछे एक कहानी है, एक कहानी जिसे मैं बहुत खूबसूरत समझता था और ये समझता था कि इस लायक है जो कहानी बनाई जाए, and I present it to you. I know that generations have changed, that tastes have changed, but a good film is a good film, period. With that belief, I have gone and made this movie, Ek Hasina Thi Ek Deewana. Film showcases Shiv Darshan, who is an actor in his own right, and it's a coincidence that I'm proud enough to have him as my son, and proud enough to see his performance in my movie, proud enough to have him on the set for his perfect behavior, his passion for cinema, his love for everyone around. Upen Patel, for me, he's like my child also, my son also, because I have worked with him in the past, exactly a decade ago, in Shakalaka Boom Boom, directed him, and I can guarantee you, I can assure you, that he's provided this movie with such a beautiful performance. He's going to touch all your hearts for sure. I hope to have you guys on my premiere when you watch this movie. And we introduce Natasha Fernandez. Yes, she deserves a clap. I have had the honor to launch several newcomers who have risen to become mighty stars. Priyanka Chopra, Lara Datta. I've worked with the Kapoor sisters. They've contributed significantly to my career, Karishma, and several leading actors. When I was starting this movie, I had a choice of either going in for an established actress or a newcomer. To find a newcomer is a very difficult job, trust me. But for me, it became so easy because one night I went to have a salad at a restaurant and I was sitting at a table. I saw this girl sitting across the table. I thought, my God, look at her. She's so many expressions rolled into one. And I kept watching her. I said, yaar, aisa nahi hai, table pe ke upar tak dikh rahi hai, baki kya pata nahi hai. So I nodded her over to my table, said someone across to call her. And when she stood up, I said, wow, why wait? Looks good. Thodi moti ke liye dubli ho jayegi. You know? See her there. And when she walked across and I spoke to her, I knew I found Natasha, my Natasha, who was to play the pivotal lead role in Ek Hasina Thi Ek Deewana. Natasha is a very fine actor, and surprisingly she's not been to any schools or any classes for acting. She's trained herself with Shiv and Upen, and her performance is there for everyone to see. For a movie, I structured everything. The story, which is written by me, had some young enthusiasts who worked with me on the film. Each of them, each and every one of them gave this movie their best. And there was one mad wizard, one maestro, who decided to give the film his best. And you know when that guy, Nadeem, gives his best to cinema, what is that? So, in his absence here, he's not around here, but in spirit and soul, he's here. वो हमें, हमारे बीच, हमारे संगीत में, हमारे cinema. A clap for Nadeem, please. Now I want to bring you something which is also so special, so new for cinema. That's a voice that I actually went through a lot of tests for the voices. and zeroed down on this voice for my first song. And after I said, no, every song in this movie will be sung by this young lad. Yasir Desai for you. This is Yasir Desai. Voice of tomorrow. Can I ask you to wait?
Hello everyone. It's been a pleasure working with such talented of Bollywood. Being a newcomer, I couldn't expect it. I'd like to thank first Sunil sir and the team sir for giving me this opportunity. इतने जल्दी और इतने early stage में मुझे कोई album दे दिया. And I think I had no pressure whatsoever doing this because given that I'm a newcomer and him giving me the whole album, you see, there's always that pressure. But under his guidance and Nisha's guidance, I take feelings. And also the videos have come out such beautiful. Shivbai and Natasha have been beautiful in the videos. So it was looking forward to it. I hope to give some love to it. Thank you. Of course. So this is the title track on this. हसीना थी एक दीवाना था क्या कहूँ तुमसे क्या ज़माना था हर जगह तो ये अफसाना था एक हसीना थी एक दीवाना था
एक और इंसान का इंतजार कर रहे हैं जो वाव there she is. Could I ask for more? Palak Kuchal to you. Once again, I am delighted to work with her. Is the word I will use. Her dedication, her simplicity, her love for her work, that's unparalleled. सुनते थे किसी जमाने में कि लता मंगेशकर जी ने अपनी कामयाबी इसके पाई कि वो बहुत डेडिकेटेड थी, बहुत फोकस थी. अगर वो डेडिकेशन और वो फोकस किसी और में मैंने देखा है तो ये छोटी सी नाउ यंग गर्ल पलक कुशाल में है. पलक, she has been guided beautifully by her family, by her parents to achieve a career which is going to last for a long time, I assure you. And I've been looking for this opportunity for very, very long to get to work with her. And here it is. She sang all the songs of the movie once again, as I said. And I think she should do the job.
Hello everybody. I'm really happy to be here today. बहुत स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट है मेरे लिए भी एक एग्जाम्पल करवाना था बिकॉज सुनील सर का सपोर्ट उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स मुझे तब से मिलती आ रही है व्हेन आई वाज 12 years old एंड इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जुड़ना, इतनी सारी गाने गाना, सबसे बड़ी बात उनके साथ काम करना मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. मैं कितने भी गाने गा रही हूँ बाहर किसी भी प्रोडक्शन के लिए, बट जब सुनील सर की फिल्म के लिए गाने का मौका मिलता है तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपनी घर की फिल्म के लिए गा रही हूँ. Yeah, so we'd like to wish everybody over here, the whole cast, Hussein, her, Yasir, Sunil sir, all the best, and it was a great experience to work with Nadeem sir. उनके लिए गाना भी बहुत बड़ी बात थी. So yeah, really happy, excited. उम्मीद है जितना प्यार मेरे अभी तक के गानों को मिला उससे कई ज़्यादा प्यार इस फिल्म के गानों को मिलेगा. वैसे तो इस फिल्म का हर गाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है, बट एक गाना जैसे बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है वो मैं सुनाना चाहती हूँ. आई विल आस्क यू ऑल्सो जॉइन. वी हैव अनदर माइक. एक मिनट.
Sorry.
Excuse me. 2 minutes is the lead role.
Okay, excuse problem, sorry. I'm starting.
Thank you. Thanks. Would you want to speak to them? 2 months a week.
Thank you so much, all of you all, for gracing us with your presence. I seek your support. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Good evening, everyone. Well, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being present here today. And it's a very big day for all of us because this movie, this film, is really close to our heart. And each and every member of this unit has worked with utmost honesty from the bottom of their soul. So I hope it gives you an experience to remember as always. Thank you for being here. Thank you.
So first, can I get some quiet, please? Thank you. So first, I want to thank Sunil sir for giving me this opportunity and casting me in this movie. Thank you so much, Sunil ji. I love you so much. You've been a wonderful human being in my life, a great support, a mentor. I don't have a father in my life, so being a father figure to me. You know, I'm a very sometimes uncontrollable person, very obsessive person, but Sunil ji, you know, he nurtures me, he allows me to be, and he teaches me so much. Not just about cinema, but about being a good human being, about growing. And I think in this industry, you guys have seen me grow in this industry. And I want to thank Sunil ji for always showing me the right path. Whether I choose it or I don't, he's always showing me the right path. So I'm very grateful for him. And I know one thing about this movie, Kasina Te Divana, that we've all given our best. We've been really honest and sincere to every emotion in this movie. And when I was shooting this movie, I just asked Sunil sir one thing. Every day I just asked him, sir, are you happy? Are you happy? He would say to me, I'm happy. Because he's so confident, I'm so confident. And I want to say, I've known Shiv, but I got to work with him for the first time in this movie. He's a very dedicated, hard-working actor. It never felt like I was working with a person who's worked with, you know, who's only done 2 movies. He's so focused. He's a lovely human being, you know, obviously great upbringing. Natasha, when Sunil ji told me I'm signing this deal, I was like, you know, I wasn't sure about the name. But when she came to the set with this beautiful blank canvas, and to watch Sunil ji mold this girl into an actress, make her perform, you know, hats off to Sunil sir. So I'm really grateful, and I'm sure you guys are going to love this music and this movie. So please support us. Thank you so much, guys.
Before we close this long session, I have one more person to invite here, and he is a formidable part of my cinema. I have a strange bond with him as well, and I'd like to share it with you. Rumi Khan. I don't think I need to introduce him to you rather, because Rumi is a formidable star on television. But having said that, he has a personality of a star, which you can see. And Rumi is poised for a big growth, because there are few people with a personality, voice, and ability to act like him. And I think he holds a very big, bright future as well. Everyone who hasn't watched the trailer, please open the gate and please welcome everybody in. After your one second.
थोड़ा नीचे रखो
रोल
वो नीचे
Yes, sir, from here.
भूपेन सबसे पहले
अच्छा हाय फॉलो करेंगे सर हाय शेरी हाउ आर यू हाँ जी अच्छा हाँ मैं सुन रहा हूँ यहाँ देख रहा हूँ
Love is the deadliest deception, as the tagline says. I'm very sure you must be making it deadlier.
ओहो
Your role.
Ah.
To be the villain, I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
See that's a mystery but why do you think I'm the villain?
Hey, I just guessed.
कि मैं क्या villain दिखता हूँ क्या life में?
Nee. About the role and it's good. Yeah. We don't have villains also.
Okay, that's I think it's a compliment, but honestly, it's a romantic mystery. It's a love triangle, and I think my character, जो मेरा किरदार है, is very different. So I think he's a guy that would do anything that he believes in. I think he follows his heart, not his mind, and his intentions are always good. That's what I'll say.
You have been here for the longest time now, all of these. Wish you all the best and many congratulations for your debut.
Thank you so much.
How does it feel to be over here today when the first trailer of your film is being released?
Well, it's a mixed bag of emotions. I'm nervous and I'm excited. Excited because my director has faith in what he's created and I place my faith in that and I know it's gonna really be amazing. And nervous because I'm looking forward to your love and support and this is my first film. So that's why I'm nervous.
श्रेया आप बताइए कि पिताजी डायरेक्टर के रूप में ज़्यादा सकते हैं पिता के रूप में?
डायरेक्टर फॉर श्योर। आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे कि मुझे कभी भी लाइफ में डांट नहीं मिली है इन पर्सनल लाइफ, बट व्हेन आई वाज एन एक्टर एंड इफ आई डिड समथिंग रॉन्ग, फंबल किया लाइन्स या कोई टेक्निकल एरर किया, दैट्स व्हेन मेरे को डांट मिली। अदरवाइज मुझे कभी भी डांट नहीं मिली पर्सनल लाइफ में।
सुनील जी आप बताइए ना बीच में तो शुरू से एक्टर बनना चाहते थे या और
I was always fascinated with filmmaking, but actor पक्का नहीं था. But yeah.
Sunil ji, you have launched many of the actresses. How you see the potential of Natasha?
Well, watch the movie and see where she leads.
नहीं पर इसे इतना छोटा जवाब नहीं तो
पहले आप सबके साथ कर लीजिए।
नहीं आपके साथ में हो रहा है सर।
Okay.
असली वजह सब
नताशा एक खूबसूरत लड़की है, एक बेहतरीन एक्ट्रेस है और फॉर अ फर्स्ट फिल्म रिमार्केबल काम किया है उसने और मैं ऐसा उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि जब तक उसके मन से she wants to evolve, she has the potential of becoming a first-rate actress.
We see Nadeem ji coming in with this film. क्यों चूज किया आपने नदीम जी को?
क्यों चूज किया? बिकॉज इज द बेस्ट। नदीम के साथ काम करना, नदीम जी के साथ काम करना जो है ना, वो तो सिर्फ बहुत ही मैं कहूँगा सौभाग्य वाले फिल्म मेकरों को मौका मिला है। और आप देखेंगे पिछले 25 साल से जब से वो काम कर रहे हैं, जिस आदमी ने आशिकी, दिल है कि मानता नहीं, सड़क, साजन, राजा हिंदुस्तानी, परदेस, यू नेम अ हिट, मेरी फिल्में, अंदाज, एक रिश्ता, कितना खूबसूरत म्यूजिक दिया उस आदमी ने। वो इंसान संगीत को समझता है और I mean, he's God gifted, and I'm truly honored that I've had the opportunity to make, I think, my 7th or my 8th movie with him now.
We also miss him in दर्शक भी मिस करते हैं। क्या ला पाएंगे आप उनको इंडिया?
देखिए, उन्हें ला तो ऊपर वाला ही सकता है, क्योंकि मैं भविष्यवाणी नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन अगर उसे वो इजाज़त होती तो वो ज़रूर इंडिया आना मतलब चाहते हैं।
हमारी तो बात हो नहीं पाती, उनके क्या व्यूज़ हैं अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री नाउ, बिकॉज इट हैज बीन लॉन्ग टाइम फॉर अस, लाइक वी हैव बीन इन कांटेक्ट विद।
उनके व्यूज़ जो हैं आप अगली बार मेरे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आएगा तो उनको लाइव आपसे बात करेंगे।
संजीव जी, आपने प्रियंका को लॉन्च किया।
सुनील मेरा नाम है,
सॉरी
सुनील।
सुनील जी, आप सॉरी।
हाँ जी।
प्रियंका को लॉन्च किया। नताशा में आप देखते हैं? और
जी नहीं, नताशा में मैं प्रियंका की झलक बिल्कुल नहीं देखता हूँ, क्योंकि प्रियंका का अपना अंदाज था और नताशा में अपनी अदा है।
पर आपने इनका वेट लूज किया और इनको सेक्सी बनाया, इसके लिए क्या कहना चाहिए?
उन्हें ये तो आपकी नज़र है और आपका अंदाज है, आपकी नज़र का अंदाज है कि वो इतनी सेक्सी लग रही है, लेकिन वो एक खूबसूरत, एक हसीन, जवान और रिसेप्टिव एक्ट्रेस है।
थैंक यू।
आप 10 सालों में आप फिल्म में आए और क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है, ऐसे क्या है?
मैं एक ही चीज़ कहना चाहता हूँ कि भाई सिनेमा हर युग में बदलता है। 10 साल पहले कुछ और था, 10 साल में बीच में जो सिनेमा बना है उसने कई अलग अलग रंग अपनाए, लेकिन क्योंकि मुझे इस जॉनर का सिनेमा नहीं दिखा 10 साल में, तो मैंने एक हसीना थी एक दीवाना था का सब्जेक्ट लिखा और इस जॉनर का सिनेमा क्रिएट किया, जो मुझे पूरा भरोसा है हिंदुस्तान की वो जो 5% और 2% क्रीम लेयर है, सिर्फ वो इसकी तारीफ नहीं करेगी, लेकिन जितना हर कॉमन आदमी जो ये फिल्म देखेगा, इसके संगीत से प्यार करेगा, इसकी कहानी से प्यार करेगा, इसके कैरेक्टर से प्यार करेगा, और मेरे हिसाब से सिनेमा वही होता है। मैसेज का कोई प्रवचन नहीं देना मैंने, आई एम हियर टू एंटरटेन।
This will be the first time you will be working with Nadeem ji, na?
Yes.
Your views about his music?
What can I say about Nadeem ji? I think I'm too small to even comment on his music. I was in ruling music industry for such a long time, and मेरे लिए उनके साथ काम करना बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है. I would like to thank Sunil sir for making me sing, for giving me this opportunity. बहुत ही यूनिक रिकॉर्डिंग थी, हम लोग स्काइप पर इंटरैक्ट कर रहे थे, वो डायरेक्शंस दे रहे थे, उनके काम करने का तरीका बहुत अलग है. आई वाज सो हैप्पी कि जो ब्यूटी है उनके गानों की, दैट्स सोल एक्सप्रेशंस, एंड ऐसे में अगर मुझ पर इतना ज़्यादा विश्वास किया गया कि सारे गाने मैंने गाए हैं फिल्म के, सो या आई लुक एट इट एज अ वेरी बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
Thank you.
Yes sir, please. You have to. Nothing is complete. Nothing is complete without Yasser and Rumi.
वही सवाल है जो
क्या था
पालक से, सॉरी आप सुन नहीं रहे?
नदीम जी का क्या, सॉरी प्लीज,
नदीम जी के साथ काम?
ऑफ कोर्स ही इज़ अ लेजेंड, और मैं बहुत ही नया हूँ, तो मैं उनकी म्यूज़िक पे कमेंट करने की मैं खुद की औकात नहीं समझता सर, ऑनेस्टली. ही इज़ द मेलोडी किंग, देयर इज़ नो डाउट अबाउट दैट. ही इज़ द मेलोडी किंग. सारी मेलोडी जो बने हैं गाने, इतने भी सारे 90 का जो एरा था, गोल्डन एरा, आई थिंक ही इज़ बीन रूलिंग, एंड नाउ इज़ कमिंग बैक विथ अगेन अ वेरी मेलोडियस एल्बम. पूरा एल्बम ही बहुत रोमांटिक, और बहुत देयर इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ मिस्ट्री ऑल्सो इन द एल्बम. टाइटल ट्रैक में बहुत खूबसूरत गाने बनाए हैं, और बहुत खूबसूरती से पलक ने भी गाया है और मैंने भी गाया है, ऑफ कोर्स. सो यस, इट्स बीन अ प्लेजर वर्किंग विद द टीम, ऑफ कोर्स. थैंक यू सो मच.
I'd love to make movies, har pal, har lamha. I wish that I have the fortune of dying with my shoes on, directing a movie. Because for me, cinema was a very difficult and very long journey to achieve. I dreamt of it. I got about getting here was a very arduous task. To get accepted was a very arduous task. लेकिन आजकल जब मैं लोगों को मिलता हूँ और जब वो मेरी फिल्म की तारीफ़ करते हैं कि उन्होंने देखी हैं, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है. अगर मुझे पूछे तो भाई मैं एक ही चीज़ जानता हूँ कि मेरे लिए सिनेमा, मैं तो जीना मरना ही चाहता हूँ.
थैंक यू सो मच. अरे बस हो गया.
One sec, you miss someone out. Don't miss him out. He's the star of tomorrow. Rumi Khan.
Thank you. We will be doing some separate interviews.